Looking for a fun and challenging adventure? Obstacle courses offer just that. From crawling through mud pits to scaling walls, obstacle courses are a great way to test your physical and mental limits. But with so many options out there, which one is the best? Join me as I explore the top-rated obstacle courses, with exciting obstacles and thrilling experiences that will leave you feeling accomplished and exhilarated. Let's get ready to conquer the best obstacle courses around. Number 1. Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course. This awesome obstacle course for kids has a 50-foot ninja slackline, along with 9 obstacles including gymnastic rings, both triangle and round, monkey bar holds, and monkey fists, a ninja wheel. But it has a few things others don't, including a webbing ladder, high-quality trapeze bar, and bonus grip tape. The Ninja Slackline kit is impressively flexible, allowing you to move obstacles as far apart or close together as your kids need. You can switch it up as they progress in skills and bravery. This kit allows your kids to practice on the slackline or use it as a ninja line, which gives them lots of fitness options while they're at home. Pros: kid-friendly kit with many options. 9 fun accessories included. 42-foot line. Cons: instructions aren't the best. Number 2. Hyponix 50-foot slackline course. Whether you're ready as a family to face a serious slackline, one that extends 60 feet is going to present a challenge whether you're a kid or an adult. This slackline kit goes so much further though because it comes with 13 obstacles and accessories to transform it into a wicked ninja line as well. The 2-inch wide slackline can handle from up to 250 pounds, so we're talking about serious safety here, no matter your age. The obstacles can be adjusted to make spacing easier at first and more challenging later. You'll also get a heavy-duty industrial ratchet that can and should be one of your key must-haves. Obstacles include 4 gymnastic rings, 3 monkey bars, and a rope ladder. You can also get an obstacle expansion pack that includes a spinning wheel, 2 traverse rings, and 2 monkey fists, all of which can be moved apart to make this course more difficult once your kiddos have experience. Pros: 250-pound weight limit. 2-inch wide woven slackline converts to ninja line. Great for adults as well as kids. Cons: wood monkey bars can cause blisters. Number 3. Fofana Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course. If you've got a family with kids that are big and small, you're going to love this Fofana 65-foot ninja line kit that accommodates kids of all ages with easily adjustable obstacles to challenge their agility and build fitness. With adjustable hardware, it's easy to position and then reposition each obstacle depending on who is using the course. This long line comes with 2 monkey bars, 2 gymnastic rings, 2 freestyle rings, a spinning wheel, a monkey fist, and a ladder. This kit uses top-quality locking carabiners rather than sliding buckles to attach obstacles to the line, which means they're super safe and can hold up to 1,000 pounds, although 250 is the recommended maximum. This kit comes with a heavy-duty ratchet with padded ergonomic grips allowing you to tighten the line without hurting your hands. We also love that the tree protectors are sewn in loops that keep the line in place without slipping. Number 4. Perantlb Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course. If you've got the space for a pretty expansive setup, the Perantlb Ninja Slackline kit has so many options for nearly unlimited fun. This 50-foot slackline kit includes everything you'll need to get this up and running in no time. You'll get a 50-foot slackline with a 7-foot ratchet line to keep it tight. You'll also get 2 tree protectors to use on both the upper and lower lines. This kit comes with 15 high-strength carabiners as well as buckles to affix your obstacles in a way that's most challenging for your kiddos. This set comes with a wood and rope ladder for easy access, a seat swing as well as a tree swing, 2 kinds of monkey bars, 6 monkey rings with rubberized grips, plus 2 balance belts. Pros: 12 obstacles plus a rope ladder for easy access. Kit includes 2 slacklines that can be used with or without obstacles. 440-pound weight capacity. Cons: Lines are difficult to keep tight. Number 5. Jugader Slackline 50-foot Ninja Line. The Jugader Slackline Ninja Line offers 50 feet of fun and challenge for kids. It doubles as a lower slack line or an upper ninja line, and it has 13 obstacles that can be spaced to make the experience more challenging as kids improve their skills. A 6-stair rope ladder allows kids to get set up and start with stability as they begin their backyard adventure. This slackline kit comes with everything you'll need to get their aerial obstacle course set. It includes 1 ninja line, 1 slack line, 2 twin gear ratchets to make tightening a breeze, 1 rope ladder, 1 twister, 2 traverse rings, for gymnastic rings, 3 monkey bars, a swing seat, 3 bars, for tree protectors, 14 metal connectors and a handy storage bag to keep everything nicely contained when the set isn't in use. This would be a terrific activity for any family with kids as it can hold up to 440 pounds and each obstacle can handle up to 160 pounds. If you've got a tomboy on your hands, she'd love this as a gift. Pros. Great for developing fitness and agility. Slackline plus a ninja line with obstacles. Obstacles can be moved to increase difficulty. Cons. Not enough obstacles for a 65-foot line.